Hi everybody, welcome to the fourth lecture in this series. The topic is obviously rational analysis to reduce thoughts. In the training of rational mind, Dr. Albert Ellis, an American psychotherapist and psychologist, is considered to be an authority. He introduced REBT, Rational Emotive Behavior Therapy, previously called as rational therapy or rational emotive therapy. So it is a comprehensive action directive, philosophically and empirically based psychotherapy which focuses on resolving emotional and behavioral problems, thereby enabling people to lead happier and more fulfilling lives. REBT was introduced in 1950s, but the research and application was continued till Ellis's death, and still there is an institute which continues the research. Now, there are many methods described in REBT to adopt rational analysis in life. Disrupting the irrational thought process is the key to adopt rationality in life. In the rational analysis process, why is the main tool. Every why should be followed by another why. Whenever we accept anything without questioning, we invite irrationality in our lives. Questioning is the primary faculty of human being. Questioning helps us to reach to the core of the issue. Unless we reach the core, we cannot extend our intellects. Questioning helps us to analyze and connect the dots with our perseverance and intelligence. It helps us to connect the cause and effect of any phenomena. Thereby, the rational analysis is congruent with the nature cure philosophy. Rational analysis makes the thing simple and acceptable. The average number of thoughts in our mind is approximately 240 thoughts per second. It means we are so occupied all the time. Consciously 10 or 20 thoughts at a time can be identified. But the rest of the thoughts always run in our mind without any conscious knowledge. And this consumes a lot of energy. A lot of innervation happens due to thoughts. Rational analysis reduces number of thoughts from mind. So that one can conserve more vitality by reducing thoughts. Irrational acceptance of any aspect is just opposite to that. We tend to increase the number of thoughts through irrational processing of thoughts which happens beyond our conscious. If we increase thoughts in our mind, consciously or unconsciously, we tend to increase innervation with jeopardized thought processes and invite different ailments including mental depression. Here is an example. Suppose there are 5 students who have a same wish that I want to score high in the college exam. That is a wish. That's a common goal, but the reasons of each student are different. The first student thinks, I want a job. Second student thinks, I want high score to impress my girlfriend. The third student thinks that he wants or she wants high score to get admission in the next course. The fourth student thinks that the high score is required to be awarded. And the fifth student thinks that the high score can validate the knowledge gain. to verify my knowledge. Which one do you find most rational here in this example? Rationally, the wish should be directly linked to the reason. In this, the wish is attached to 5 different reasons by 5 different students. There could be many more such examples, each reason depicting a different set of thought process. Let's go through the following analysis. The reason of 5th student against the wish is the most rational one. Rationally, the process of study by its structure is linked to the knowledge more than anything else. The reason to study can neither be the award, nor a girlfriend, nor a job, or anything. All these can be byproducts of the process. The rational objective should be the one and only knowledge gain. The moment one studies primarily for knowledge, rationally other thoughts and expectations are reduced in the mind. The level of concentration goes up and the objective becomes clearer, and that is achieved faster also. Hence, the reason of the 5th student and the wish are having a strongest connection in this example. Compared to this, for example, studying to impress a girlfriend would be very much irrational and unsure in its approach. Loads of thoughts would occupy the mind, centered on how to win the heart of the girl or the boy. Studying with concentration would become a challenge in that particular situation. Now, this pyramid will illustrate that example. So, rational connection of scoring high in exam. So, the lower part of the pyramid shows the first student who wants to get a job by scoring high in the exam. The second is to impress boy or girlfriend. The third trapezium of the pyramid is reason for admission. The fourth is to be awarded. And the fifth is to verify the knowledge. Now, in this pyramid, all the geometrical areas, the trapezium or the triangle, if you consider the area of the geometrical figure, that depicts the number of thoughts. So, the topmost triangle is the least in area, so is the thought in mind is least with that particular reason. This is the rational connection. Lesser thoughts also means lesser depression and other psychological disorders. Nature cure way, lesser thoughts means also lesser innervation and faster curing process holistically. As already shared, Nature Cure believes in working on the causes of the problem, not on the symptoms. Depression is caused due to overwhelming irrational thought process. Reduction of thought reduces the chances of depression. On the other hand, reduction of thoughts enhances the mental poise to attain overall wellness. Thank you for listening.